Hello, today we're going to look at how to replace a light bulb in a GE Profile combination microwave and convection oven. This particular one is the Advantium 120. It came on a Lennar home built in 2012. First step is actually to remove your carousel inside and disconnect it from the wall, which is using these 4 screws here. There's no screws across the top or bottom. Once you have those unscrewed, you can slide it out from the wall partially and have somebody unplug the cord. Okay, here it is halfway out. It simply just straight slides out with only these 4 connection points. Nothing across the top and nothing across the bottom. Okay, we just removed the microwave from the wall, and you'd think these little access doors would be where you replace the light bulb here or on the top, but it's not the case. That's access panels for other parts of the microwave if you needed to service some of the heavier parts. The actual light bulb, you need to take off this entire outer shell, and once that's off, it's really easily accessible. Okay, nearly all the screws are this type of threading. 2 of them are machine screws with lock washers, and those 2 go on this bottom corner in the front here. Here's the shell half on. Lots of screws just around the edge, maybe a dozen or so to replace. It's pretty straightforward once you know what you're doing. I've taken off the entire outer shell once I removed it from the wall. And the light bulb is right here within this little container. And it's just a few screws. Replacement bulb is about $7. Comes in a box like this. I was able to get it from my GE repair person. He would have charged me $130 for the labor and $7 for the bulb. This is what the bulb looks like. It's just simply plug and play. Unbolt that section right there, pop it in. Took me about 10 seconds once I got the shell off. Reminder, don't touch the light bulb with your bare hands. Use a piece of plastic it comes in. Okay, I've done almost all the screws here, and they all go in real fast, just like this. This is where I'll need another set of hands. Someone has to plug in the microwave as I have it halfway installed, and then I can slide it all the way in and reattach it. Here's how you line up those connection points. Slide it all the way in. Okay, that's it. I hope that helps some people save some real cash on replacing a bulb from their microwave oven.